Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today I'm gonna be working on this Audi A6. I'm gonna be replacing the taillight. I'm gonna show you how to get it done. You can use a trim tool, or you could just use your fingers pretty much, and just move this right here and just pull it out. That's it. So once you get it off right there, there's I think it's a T25. Stick this T25 in there. Let's see if I can get a little close up on that. T25, just put it in here. Line it up in here. Careful not to lose the screw. Two things you could do. You could take this off. I'll show you right here. You could take this whole thing apart, or since I'm just trying to get to this one reverse light right here, I'm just gonna turn this. Let's pull it out. Nothing fancy, just a regular bulb I'm putting back in there. Lock it back in. And just put it back together. So on this side, I'll show you. Right here is a little tip. See the tab right there. And it goes back in here. Let's go line it up and let's put it right back in here. The screws back in. Nice and easy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.